Hi, Ashwin.
My question is, ದಸರಾ ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಾಯ್ನಾರ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಈಗ ಸರಿಪೋದ ಶನಿವಾರ ಎಲ್ಲ ಈ ಮೂರು ಸಿನಿಮಾಗಳು ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೋಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನ್ ರೀಸನ್ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಅಥವಾ ದಸರಾ ಪ್ಯಾನ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಹೋಗಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂತ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಈ ರೀತಿ?
No, sir. Actually, Pan India is the wrong word because I'm not releasing. If you actually see the Kannada version or Malayalam version or Hindi version, if you see the number of theaters or how we promote the film, it is not to make it market-wise big numbers or anything. I have been noticing there is a lot of love from Kannadigas when it comes on OTT or and all the 4 languages are trending in the when it comes in Netflix or Amazon. So that means all the audience are loving the film. So I wanted a very good quality film available in theaters for all those audience, and just not to add to the numbers, not to make it like